Alrighty, we got this BelleMain stainless steel meat pounder from Amazon. I will put a link below. And we've already done the one here. It's comfortable in the hand. It has good surface space. And here's it in use.
These are massive chicken breasts, so it's taking a second.
Seems to do a good job though, pounding them down.
Yeah, I'd say that's good enough.
Yeah. So yeah, I would recommend this to others. Would you?
Yeah, I'd use it.
It's a good one, a reasonable price. So let me know in the comment section below. Do you pound your meat? Let me know down below. And if you do not, is it something you would consider just to get a more even cook? Thanks for watching this, and we'll see you in the next one.